Hi guys, so here's another issue that I had ever since I got the car, but I never knew what it actually was because I had nothing to compare it to. So I don't know anybody else with a Model X, so I did not know whether this was a common problem, or I mean if it was a normal thing to happen, or whether it was a actual issue or not. So what happens is when I go ahead and do that, I get this really loud clicking noise. It doesn't happen all the time, so I would have to do this a couple of times to probably get it to happen. But let's try again. Not doing it. Let's try it again. It's not exactly happening. I might have to get in the back. Okay, I'll get in the back. So now I'm sitting in the back. I want to document this, so it doesn't go all the way back. So I have to sit actually in the other seat. So once I sit in the seat, it notices, it actually senses my butt right here. So let me bring this forward again. Now I'm going to bring it back. Oops, I was pushing down on the sensor. So all the way back. Okay. Now here we go. It's happening. See that? That's the problem that I've experienced on both sides. But after about a month and almost 7 weeks of owning this car, it stopped happening on the passenger side, but it's still happening on the driver's side. So let's see that again. Oops. So there's a plate that covers it. If you look at it, it's not releasing, or it's not going. See that? That plate. There it goes. So that scared the shit out of me the first couple of times when I were to access the rear. It would make that noise right at the end of the travel. And yeah, it definitely was pretty loud. I'm sure it's coming in pretty loud for you too. And let's just see that one more time. So that's what happens. Let me get on this side and open the Falcon Wing door so I can get some more light and see you and show you. So let me see if I can show you what it looks like on normal operations. So normally it's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to move along with the pedestal. See that? It's moving along with the pedestal, so it doesn't have that a spring-loaded action at the end of the movement, like you do on the driver's side. So it was happening on both sides, but it seems like it stopped happening as frequently on the passenger side. So I can show you again what it looks like. And then I'm gonna see that it moves along with it, so it doesn't have that spring-loaded action. So I'm gonna move back over this way and show you what happens on this one. See, now it's working fine. Before I was able to capture a couple of times when it's stuck, and then at the end of the movement it would basically spring, and then it'll make that loud popping noise. So let's try one more time, see if I can catch it. Nope, can't catch it now. Now here we go, it's happening. See that? That's the problem that I've experienced on both sides, but after about a month and almost 7 weeks of owning this car, it stopped happening on the passenger side, but it's still happening on the driver's side. So let's see that again. Oops. So there's a plate that covers it. If you look at it, it's not releasing, or it's not going. See that? That plate. There it goes. So that scared the shit out of me the first couple of times when I were to access the rear. It would make that noise right at the end of the travel, and yeah, it definitely was pretty loud. I'm sure it's coming in pretty loud for you too. And let's just see that one more time.